Hello again, this is Serge with SEWPRO, and today I'll introduce another very unique machine. It's what we call, it's a SEWPRO model 8360B, and we call this post bed 360. So what 360 means is this post, you can turn 360 degrees, and it makes it so special. You can finish certain things that you can't do on the regular post machine because post gets in the way. This, you can change sewing direction as you sew. This machine can be used anywhere up to size 138 thread. We have a size 69 as of now. The machine comes with a cap style hook, and it's the same hook as a Juki 341. It takes M size bobbin, and it takes 135 by 17 needle, and the sizes you can go anywhere from 110 to 180 or 160, and that's pretty general. We also have a roller guide that can be adjusted. It can help you to sew. So here I want to show, like, for example, how do you sew on the post bed something like logo like this? If you need to finish, or you have some kind of handbag or some kind of valve cover or anything that nature that really you can't get, and you need to sew around. So here I'm just taking this using knee lift. I'm sliding it here. I'm going to turn it on. We have a needle positioning motor. So I'm just going to go and start sewing. So here I need to make a turn. I can swing the whole thing and start stitching this direction. And I can turn this whole thing again. It's not necessarily for labels or anything of that nature. It can be other stuff, but hard to do attaching things. But I can sew 360 degrees around. The machine feeds with the needle and the foot. A roller on the bottom is not feeding because of the mechanism. So you have a needle feed and the top foot actually feeding it. So, for example, this is one of the things that you can't get done on any other machine. And for example, let's say you have a boot, and you need to attach a strap when it's finished. The same thing you can do here. I just turn this post, and I can do that. So let me pull the thread. I'll show you. It's just a couple of different things that I'm showing, but there's numerous different things you can do. So you gotta take your time. So you won't be able to do this on any other machine because of post would get in the way. But with 360 turning, you can do that. So here I just finished this, or think of something with like bag, and you need to attach handles or things with the changing direction of this post, which is can go either direction, and that's what we call post bed 360 with the SEWPRO.